So look here, once again I will tell, this is the frame that is given to you for solving. This frame has the loading which is there on the backboard. You can see there is union of 10 kilonewton per meter acting horizontally for this column. There is a concentrated load of 90 kilonewton, and the frame is having leg AB is equal to 6 meters, leg CD is equal to 3 meters. So symmetry in the geometry is lost, and there is horizontal load and also there is eccentric load. Because of these things, the frame is going to sway. That is why this is sway frame. And the primary unknowns are three. What are those? EI theta B, EI theta C, and EI delta. Delta is amount of sway. And after that, first you are going to write fixed end moments for member AB. MF AB is positive because if you have the vision like this, this becomes left hand hogging anti-clockwise. MF AB is equal to minus MF BA. The formula is WL square upon 12. And then MFBC is positive, MFCB is negative, that you know already being, and MFBC and MFCB are given by these formulae. Then we will write down all the three members slope deflection equations. So how many equations we are going to write? There are three members, so we will be writing 6 equations. Write down next, slope deflection equations. Slope deflection equations. Okay, first MAB. MFAB. How much? 30 plus 2E. I is 1.5 I upon L 6 minus 2 theta A0 minus theta B plus what? Additional term. You can see this is R of AB. This is R of CD because the members are going to rotate. These vertical members of the columns are going to rotate. So R of AB and R of CD plus 3 R of AB. R of AB is delta upon 6. Correct. So do the calculations. MAB will become 30. 2 into 1.5 is 3 by 6 is 0.5 minus 0.5 EI theta B plus, do the calculations quickly, 0.5 into again 0.5, 3 by 6 is also 0.5, yes, minus plus 0.25 EI delta. So this is your first equation, MAB. Then MBA. MFBA minus 30 plus 2E. I is 1.5 I divided by L is 6 minus 2 theta B minus theta A 0 minus 2 theta B minus theta A 0 plus 3R again delta upon 6, 3 delta by 6. So you are going to get MBA is equal to minus 30. 2 into 1.5 is 3 by 6, 0.5 into 2 minus EI theta B. It remains same, 0.25 EI delta. So this is your equation 2. MBA is over. Now I will write down MBC. MBC, MFBC, how much is MFBC usually? 64.8 plus 2E. I is equal to 2I divided by L. L is how much? 5 meters. Minus 2 theta B minus theta C. That's all. R will not be there because this member is not going to rotate. The joints B and C only will translate. So MBC is MFBC plus 2EI upon L. I is 2I into bracket minus 2 theta B minus theta C. It becomes how much? 64. Is it 64.8 correct? Yes. 64.8 plus minus 2 into 2, 4 by 5, 0.8. 0.8 into 2 is 1.6 minus 1.6 EI theta B minus 0.8 EI theta C. Correct? This is my third equation. Now I will write down fourth equation now. The fourth equation is MCD. MCD receive MFCB minus 43.20 plus 2E. I is 2I divided by L 5 meters again minus 2 theta C minus theta B reverse. So MCB becomes minus 43.20. 2 into 2 4 by 5 0.8 into 2 1.6 minus 1.6 EI theta C minus 0.8 EI theta B. This is your fourth equation. So 4 equations we have written. Another 2 equations are there. What are those 2 equations? The 2 equations are MCD and MDC. So MCD, MFCD 0 plus 2E, I is I, L is 3, minus 2 theta C, minus theta D 0 plus 3R, because again this is going to rotate. R of CD is how much? 3, R of CD is delta by 3, again positive because clockwise. So MCD will be equal to 2 by 3 is 0.667 into 1.33 minus 1.33 EI theta C plus 0.67 into 1. 0.67, 3 by 3 is 1. So it is 0.667 EI delta. So this is the fifth equation, MCD. And the last one is MDC. MFDC 0 plus 2E. I is I, L is 3, minus 2 theta D 0, minus theta C 1, plus 3R, again 3R is delta by 3, 3 into delta by 3. So it becomes how much? 2 by 3, 0.667, minus 0.667 EI theta C, plus 0.667 EI delta. So this is your sixth equation. All the 6 equations are written. Once these 6 equations are written, all of you should understand that now all these 6 equations contain how many unknowns? 3 unknowns. What are those? EI theta B, EI theta C and EI delta. So we need to get 3 simultaneous equations. Write down. Joint equilibrium conditions. Joint equilibrium conditions. Joint equilibrium conditions. What is the first condition? At joint B. Second condition is at joint C. First condition is MBA plus MBC equal to 0. First Roman condition 1. MBA plus MBC equal to 0 at B. 2 members are meeting. Second is MCD at C plus MCD equal to 0. Second condition. Third condition, sigma H equal to 0. You call this as horizontal reaction at A and you call this as horizontal reaction at B. The third condition is HA plus HD plus the total UDL, how much? 20 plus this UDL, total horizontal load, 20 is this right side, again 10 into 6 plus 10 into 6 is equal to 0. Or you can write down HA plus HD plus how much? 10 into 6 is 60 plus 20, 80 is equal to 0. This is third condition. First 2 conditions are very simple, but the third condition is slightly complicated. So we have to bring this third condition incompatible with the other 2 conditions. For that, what we have to do, like what we had explained in last class, I have to write, now you people have to write the free body diagram of AB and free body diagram of CD. So let us do that. Write down FBD of AB and FBD of CD. So I will do it here. To simplify the third condition, write down. To simplify the third condition, so FBD of AB, FBD AD of AB. So take AB here. Represent all the forces acting on AD. What are the forces acting? UDL and 20 kilonewton concentrated load. UDL is 10 kilonewton per meter. This is 6 meters. This reaction VA. This reaction HA. And the moments MBA, MAB, we don't know, that's why I am assuming positive. So this is the free body diagram of AB. What it contains? A concentrated load of 20 kilonewton, a UDL of 10 kilonewton per meter for 6 meters, moments MBA, MAB, we don't know. Horizontal reaction HA at the bottom, vertical reaction. Now what I need expression for HA. So what I will do, take moment about B equal to 0. To get expression for HA, what you need? Take moment about B equal to 0. What is moment about B equal to 0? MBA positive plus MAB positive. Anti-clockwise. Our anti-clockwise side is positive. HA into 6, that is also positive. Plus 6 HA, that is also positive anti-clockwise. Moment due to VA is 0. Moment due to 20 is also 0. But moment due to UDL is there. You can see 10 into 6, load is acting at the center. So into 3. 10 into 6 into 3, the load is acting like this. So moment about B is anti-clockwise. So again plus 10 into 6 into 6 by 2. So 20, moment is 0. UDL moment is there. Moment into HA I have written, moment into MBA, moment into MAB, and moment into VA is also 0. This is equal to 0. Now simplify this and get expression for HA. So HA is equal to how much? We are interested in HA. HA is equal to minus MAB minus MBA, okay, then minus 10 into 6 into 6 by 2, how much it is? Minus 180, correct? Divided by 6. HA is this. Take this 6HA. 6HA, keep that is as it is. To bring this MBA, MAB, that's at negative, minus MAB, minus MBA, minus 10 into 6 into 6 by 2, minus 180, divided by 6 is equal to HA. Similarly, go to free body diagram of CD. This member CD. So show CD here. C and D represent all the forces. What are the forces? Vertical reaction here, horizontal reaction here, HD. And there is no external load acting for CD. Only moments are there that are developing at the joints. MCD and MDC. Moments at C and D respectively. This is 3 meter. So I will continue writing here because I don't have space there. Again I should get expression for HD. So I should take momentum of C equal to 0. What is momentum of C equal to 0? MCD plus MDC. Anti-clockwise, anti-clockwise. Moment into VD is 0. Moment into HD is again anti-clockwise plus HD into 3. Or plus 3 HD equal to 0. That's all. Nothing is there. So HD will be equal to what? Minus MCD minus MDC by 3. Minus MCD minus MDC by 3. So we got HE, we got HD. Now we will write down the third condition very comfortably. So what is our third condition? Our third condition. Yes, Shrivali, tell me what is third condition? HA plus HD plus 80 is equal to minus 80. Okay. HA plus HD is equal to minus 80. Let us substitute what is HA. What is HA? We have found out.
Minus MAB
Minus MAB
minus MBA
minus MBA
minus 180
minus 180
by 6
by 6 plus HD
minus MCD
minus MCD minus MDC
divided
divided by
by 3.
3 is equal to minus 80. HA plus HD is equal to minus 80. Now, this is HA, this is HD. Take the LCM. So it is 6 only. So what you are going to get? Minus MAB minus MBA minus 180. Then now take LCM 6. LCM is 6, isn't it? So minus MAB or minus MBA, or you simplify and give me the value quickly. Minus MAB minus MBA minus 180 minus 2 MCD minus 2 MDC divided by 6 is equal to minus 180. Or simplify, it becomes like this: minus MAB minus MBA minus 180 because LCM is 6 minus MCD minus 2 MCD minus 2 MDC divided by 6, or if you take the 6 into 180, 6 into 80, how much? 480. So this is your third condition. Now these three conditions are there. First condition, it is in terms of all these values. Second condition is also third condition. Now you are going to solve all the three conditions simultaneously. Correct? Now you switch off the video. You will do the calculation.